Google Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro official trailer has been leaked today. Also in the leaks we have the Samsung, which has break some world record. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, we have been seeing leaks after leaks about the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, and like recently car phone warehouse spills that reveal basically every detail about the Pixel 6 series. Prior to the official unveiling of Tuesday, October 19, we already know most of the details about the device. Beyond that, still nothing has really managed to leak quite Google upcoming phone in recent memory. We now have an assembly video for the device as well as the official repair manuals. It's hardly come to a surprise that recently a couple of official ads of the Pixel 6 series has been uncovered as well. This ad does not add any kind of a value or any new information about the device, but what this ad could give us a shot of actually testing out the new and exciting Google designed TANSAFTECH chip. All of the info on both the handset is already available. What the chipset do offer is yet another nice look at the design of the pair, including highlights of the curved display on the Pro compared to the flat panels on the Pixel 6 vanilla model. Another thing the ads make clear is the Google justified marketing focuses on AI for Pixel 6 pair. The ad shows exclusive features like Magic Eraser and Live Translate, which also emphasize on security, highlighting things like Security Hub and the offline on-device nature of most Google AI features. Well, we wait for the October 19 Google event, or you can check out the car phone warehouse leak that has revealed every single detail about the device, and also some high quality renders images has been leaked today by Even Blast as well, which pretty much give us a detail about the design of the upcoming Pixel 6 series. And you're moving forward towards the world record that Samsung has break. In fact, there is not one, there are two different records that Samsung has break. And the number one record that Samsung has broken is the foldable series, which sales has been increased every day, and we are going to see more improvements in terms of sales of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, including their home market, where the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has sold much impressively, and at the end of the year it is expected to be sold around 1 million devices in their home country, which is definitely going to be a world record that has been broken by Samsung. The number second world record that has been broken by Samsung is the 5G speed. Well, 5G is going to be the future, and Samsung and Qualcomm in the collaboration with Verizon conducted a 5G speed test in which they have broke the record of uploading data speed at 711 megabytes per second, which is definitely going to be a world record. You can literally download a 1 gigabyte of file in just 10 seconds. This transfer rate is fast enough to allow high definition videos to record and upload to the cloud or on the social media in real life, which is definitely going to be a great achievement from Samsung. Also, the Qualcomm X65 chipset that has been used in that testing will be introduced in most of the flagship level devices in the next year, so definitely all the devices are going to be supporting that. And your Google Pixel 6 series devices has been launched so much time that every single detail about the device has already been known. So I think that the launch event is just like the video we are going to watch. And you guys, that are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.